Welcome back again everyone to Technology Manias. First of all, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to us now for daily new technology updates. So today we will talk about how to make your own cryptocurrency. Thus, here you are with this incredible new business thought or preparing to dispatch a startup, and you need to accept the interesting chances of the new world and make your own digital currency. In any case, how precisely does one do that? The internet is brimming with data at the same time, as it frequently occurs, it's repudiating, splashed everywhere, and at times just difficult to comprehend because of a substantial industry language. Subsequent to perusing this video, you will know precisely what a digital money is, the way a token is not the same as a coin, how to make your own cryptocurrency money, and whether your business needs it. Before we plunge into the details of how to make your own digital money, we should sort our realities out and investigate some essential definitions utilized in all digital money-related discussions. How about we make a stride back and revive in memory a meaning of a money first? While we will in general consider monetary standards as far as banknotes and coins or dollars and euros, a cash is a unit of capacity and account and a method for exchange, for example, an all-around acknowledged approach to acquire labor and products just as to store and circulate riches. Presently, a cryptographic money can be characterized as a computerized cash depending on encryption to produce new units and affirm the exchanges. It has every one of the elements of the money with the distinction of running outside of a solitary brought-together stage, like a bank. Digital forms of money don't have banknotes, however they do have coins, which are frequently mistaken for tokens. So what precisely is the distinction between them? Basically, everything boils down to these three focuses. Coins require their own blockchain while tokens can work on the current ones. Tokens are restricted to a particular venture, coins can be utilized anyplace. Coins purchase tokens, yet tokens can't accepting coins. On the off chance that you need to place tokens and coins in a genuine setting, consider tokens your frequent flyer miles while coins are real cash. You can utilize both to get a plane ticket, however with the miles your decision will be restricted to the air organization that gave them. While with the cash you can take your business any place you need. The bottom line is that you need to construct a blockchain on the off chance that you need to make a crypto coin. Sometimes it's an easy decision. If your undertaking or startup requires its own blockchain, you need to make your own advanced cash to boost the hubs contributing their handling power. One more word on blockchains here. Numerous definitive business investigators anticipate a major future and a developing rundown of the business sectors and ventures where the blockchain innovation will fundamentally disturb the state of affairs and liberally reward the early adopters. Fortunately for some fields, the blockchain innovation has never really shown up yet, so it's not very late to join the positions of pioneers. Giving exchange anonymity, customers choose what precisely they need, merchants to think about them. Chopping down working costs, cryptocurrency is liberated from the trade or loan fees, just as the exchange charges. Offering quick transactions, state occasions, business hours or geographic area. Since you realize how your own digital currency can help your business, how about we see the principal steps you need to take to assemble a blockchain? Stage 1. Know your utilization case. Do your business advantages lay in keen agreements? Stage 3. Pick a blockchain stage. Your decision of a blockchain stage will rely upon the agreement instrument you've chosen. To give you a superior thought of what is out there, here is a rundown of the most well-known blockchain stages. Stage 4. Plan the nodes. On the off chance that you envision a blockchain as a divider, hubs are the blocks it comprises of. A hub is an internet. Stage 5. Set up your blockchain's inward engineering. Proceed cautiously as a portion of the boundaries cannot be changed once the blockchain stage is now running. It's a smart thought to take as much time as is needed and truly consider the accompanying consents, characterize who can get to the information, perform exchanges and approve them, for example make new squares. Address designs, choose what your blockchain addresses will resemble. Key arrangements, settle on the organization of the keys that will produce the marks for the exchanges. Resource issuance, build up the standards for making and posting all resource units. Resource reissuance, build up the standards for making. Deal with APIs. Try to check whether your preferred blockchain foundation gives the prefabricated APIs, since not every one of them do. Regardless of whether your foundation doesn't accompany those, not to stress, there are a great deal of solid blockchain API suppliers out there. Here are some of them for you to look at. Chroma, Way, Bitcore, Neuroware. Stage 7, design the interface, admin and user. Correspondence is the key, and a thoroughly examined interface guarantees a smooth correspondence between your blockchain and its members. Here are the interesting points at this stage. Web, mail and FTP workers. Outer information bases. The front-end and programming dialects, for example HTML5, CSS, PHP, C#, Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby. Stage 8. Make your digital money legitimate. Gradually the law is finding the digital forms of money, and you better shield yourself from any shocks by investigating the patterns around the digital currency guidelines and the bearing they are going. So that's it for today. Be with us and subscribe to Technology Manias for daily updates.